catch 'em all.
Hello guys, welcome to Abhi Tutors. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make this magic greeting card color changer. So you can give this to your teachers as a Teacher's Day gift, as I'm going to give to my teacher. You can give this to your friend, your brother, your family, etc. etc. So for that you need a pencil, scissors, a white sheet, a transparent sheet, a pink and a purple. You can use any color instead of these. Okay, glue, sketch pens, a permanent marker, and 3 strips of paper. Okay, so the measurement for these 3 papers, these are: the length is 8 centimeter, the breadth is 5 centimeter. Okay, so same I have done. These 2 are for length and this one is for the breadth. Okay, so let's get started. First we are going to take the white paper, okay, and trace the one of this sheet. So like that. Now I cut it. So as you can see, I have cut it. Now what we are going to do, we are going to take this paper, okay, so we are going to draw something, okay, like I have made the Teacher's Day greeting card, so I'm going to do the same for this one also. So I'll take the permanent marker first and I'll write so as you can see, I have wrote Happy Teacher Day. So next I'm going to take the sketch pen and color it, okay, so I'll color it with orange, green and blue. Okay, so I'll open it and start coloring it. So I chose random colors. You can choose any color you want. Now we are going to take the transparent sheet. Now we are going to take the permanent marker and we are going to trace the same black that we wrote. Alright, I'll trace it. Alright, now we have done it. Now take the purple paper and cut some part of it. That much good. So we are going to stick it like that. We are going to fold it and stick it. So I'll cut it this much. And now I fold it into half. And we'll stick it just like that. Take the glue. We are gonna need a lot. Okay, first stick the top one. And now stick the bottom one. Just press them both together. Like that. First, this part till the end. I'll take the glue. I'll glue it. Straight. The other one also. Right. Like that. Just let it dry. And now we got one last. This one. So we are going to cut it because it's too long. Now if we just keep it like that, we can stick it like that. Okay. I'll glue it. Let's spread it. Just in correct place. This side also. Now stick it, the whole thing. Like that. We'll slide this one down. Okay, like that. Just let it dry. By that time, what we'll do, we'll just press it a bit. It's like pulling it, colored the page, uncolored, colored, like that. Just let it dry. So now we will turn it and we do the same that we did. Make this U. Take the big ones. Stick it like that. Now we stick it exactly in the place. The other one also. Flip it. Stick this one also. And now we have got one last. This is a kind of interlocking mechanism so that the paper won't come up. There's some glue and there's some glue. Alright, now we stick the big paper one side, this side, or you can take other side. Yeah, you can take this side or this side. So we'll stick it. I'll apply glue all the way. Yeah. Now I stick it. Like that. Just press it. Now this we have some extra white. We'll just cut it. Just I'll push it aside. Take the we have made that slot. Okay, now take one down. Okay, pink one down inside it slowly, and the transparent up. Just push it inside, and we take both of them together, so it looks like lamination, and then colorful, colorless, colorful. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a like, subscribe and share.